Money-saving tips on how to make an air conditioner more efficient. At Luxury Air, we pride ourselves on delivering superior HVAC services to our customers in the Montgomery area. We offer top-quality workmanship at fair prices and provide expert advice so our customers can save long-term. We have some money-saving tips to make your air conditioner more efficient during those hot Texas summers. Taking small steps like closing window blinds and turning off lights can keep you cooler and reduce energy. Close any unused vents and use ceiling fans so you're not just relying on your AC to circulate the cooling air. Make sure to vary your thermostat setting. If it's always at the same temperature, you're wasting energy. The most important step you can take is to call Luxury Air for a professional inspection. We'll rule out any maintenance issues and examine your AC unit thoroughly to determine the best solution for your air conditioner's optimal performance. Call today at 936-247-2530.